Okay folks, so this is Blizzard 2011 that I'm about to show you. Crazy stuff. Alright, are you ready? Here we go. This is the drift that is outside the house. If you can get an idea. Hold on. Kind of give you an idea. It has covered up pretty much the whole fireplace. And you can kind of see it out there. On this side you can kind of see it is pretty much up to the fence line. Luckily the satellite is still not covered. It's pretty bad. Poor little Pessoa, he has to walk like right here along the edge of the house to go to the bathroom. The neighbor, I don't know if you can see the neighbor's drift way over there. See if I can zoom in. You can see along the fence line right there. It's just crazy. So, alright, this is the Blizzard 2011. Bye.